This is the Star Wars Rogue One Imperial Death Trooper blaster as you buy it from Nerf. As you can see, just big primary red colour blaster with an orange tip. Get it out the box. A little bit of grey, Star Wars logo, and those cool LEDs. When you fire it, warning logos all over it, and just a nice bright red colour. And now let's see what it looks like when I repaint it. And this is it with an all black paint scheme to be a Stormtrooper's blaster. Looks very different in that packaging now, doesn't it? Let's just get it out. So the front's been left open because there's LED lights in there. And I've given it a chipped effect, chipped steel effect all over. And all the logos and all the warnings you'll see have also been removed. That big Star Wars logo there's gone as well. And a nice satin sealer gives it a nice metallic look. Let me just put it back in its box. And that's that there. But I also repainted to look more like a Death Trooper's blaster as well from Rogue One. The Imperial Death Trooper blaster again, but this time painted with that burnt front barrel effect to make it look exactly like a Death Trooper's blaster. So let me get that out of the packaging. 1 second. I've covered how I do this effect in another YouTube video. Again, I leave the front open. There's a burnt effect. Again, all the steel at the back chipped away as if it was a real rifle. And again, all the Star Wars logos, all the logos of everything, the Nerf logos all gone. And left with that very cool burnt barrel effect. And again, batteries removed while it's in storage. Because the last thing you want is a battery leaking into a gun after you've spent all this time painting it. So let me put that back there. And here's a family photo of them all together. This red one on the left is soon to become a burnt steel effect. And there it is there in shot. You can see all the warnings yet to be sanded off. I've done no work on this yet. And this is when you just paint it plain black and put some edges on it. It just becomes a normal Stormtrooper blaster. Add the burnt barrel. And then you get this Death Trooper blaster.